Hi everyone, here is step-by-step guide how to create Keplr wallet on your iPhone. So first of all, let me swipe down and here just type in Keplr and tap on this application. It's very top. And once you're here, you can tap on create a new wallet. Just do that. And after that, you can use social IDs or use a recovery phrase. I prefer using recovery phrase. Just tap on create. And right here, you can choose 11 words for your recovery phrase or 24. For example, I prefer using 11. And after that, tap on next button. And right here, you need to verify your recovery phrase, typing word number 7 and number 10. After that, scroll down until you find wallet name. Type in here whatever you want, for example, my first wallet. After that, scroll down, again scroll down and create Keplr password. If you want, you can tap on advanced button. I don't need that, tap on next. Wait a couple of seconds and after that, select your chains that you want to use. For example, I prefer using Cosmos Hub. Tap on Save button, enable biometric, and as you can see, that's my first wallet account on Keplr application. And as you can see, here is my first wallet account on Keplr application. That's it. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about Keplr wallet. See you next time.